Come on. Move it! Could you be any slower? And you've had your blinker on for the last 5 blocks.
No, please wait! No, please, have mercy!
This'll scare him.
Oh my gosh! A floating shopping list! Ah!
I'm not a shopping list. I'm a ghost.
I'm a huge fan. Seriously, I'm a fan.
Hey, what are you doing?
No. Sauce, folks.
Well,
Oh, SpongeBob, how am I gonna feed my brain when all you have is your fancy bubbly water? Well, it'll have to do.
Patrick, is this really necessary?
Sari, yes, it is.
Patrick,
Yeah.
you feeling all right?
Uh-huh. Why?
Nothing. Nothing.
One watermelon fresh from the manure field. Your spookiness.
Art thou not pleased?
Teeny bottom and push it somewhere else. What kind of place is this?
Squidward, try to imagine him in his underwear. Oh no, he's hot! Good night, SpongeBob.
Delivery for SpongeBob SquarePants.
Special delivery? Just for me? You think I'm special?
Yeah.
How many do you think there are?
Ten.
All hell,
Tolisso floats it in, and it's turned home by Antoine Griezmann.